lovers! Welcome back to Lingua Bridge Coach. Today, we're diving into the heart of every home, the kitchen. Whether you're a budding chef or just want to sound like one, knowing your kitchen vocabulary is a must. So, let's get cooking with some essential kitchen terms you need to know. Let's start with the basics. Every kitchen has these tools, but do you know their names? First up, the cutting board. This is your go-to surface for chopping and slicing. Next, we have the colander, perfect for draining pasta or washing your fruits and veggies. And of course, the frying pan, your best friend for sautéing, frying, and more. Here's a lesser-known one, the spatula. It's used for flipping pancakes, burgers, and more. And don't forget the ladle, perfect for serving soups or stews. Another important tool is the measuring cup, essential for getting the exact quantities right in your recipes. Now, let's get into some more advanced terms. Do you know what a zester is? It's that handy tool you use to grate the outer peel of citrus fruits. How about a whisk? This tool is essential for mixing ingredients together, especially when making sauces or whipping cream. And don't forget the rolling pin, perfect for flattening dough when you're baking. Ever used a grater? It's fantastic for shredding cheese or vegetables. The sieve is another useful tool, great for sifting flour or straining liquids. And don't overlook the garlic pressers, a small tool that makes mincing garlic a breeze. Let's not forget about those items that often come in pairs. For instance, we have a pair of tongs, which are perfect for flipping food on the grill or serving salad. Dear viewers, please consider subscribing to my channel, and hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Thank you. There's also the pair of oven mitts, essential for handling hot dishes straight out of the oven. And don't forget the pair of chopsticks, a staple in many Asian cuisines. Another handy pair, the salad servers, used for tossing and serving salads. And then there's the kitchen shears, strong scissors designed for cutting food items like herbs or poultry. Lastly, a pepper mill is often seen in pairs with its partner, the salt shaker, both essential for seasoning your dishes. Ever wondered what some of the larger kitchen appliances are called? Let's go over a few. The microwave is perfect for reheating leftovers or popping some popcorn. The blender is great for making smoothies or pureeing soups. And the dishwasher? It saves you from the dreaded pile of dirty dishes after a big meal. Other key appliances include the toaster, for those perfect crispy slices of bread. And the coffee maker, an essential for many to start their day. Don't forget the stand mixer, a versatile tool for mixing, whipping, and kneading. Finally, let's talk about some key cooking terms you'll hear in recipes. Simmer means cooking something gently, just below boiling. Broil is using high heat from above to cook food quickly, often in the oven. And marinate. That's when you soak food in a flavorful liquid before cooking to enhance the taste. Two more quick ones, knead, which is working dough with your hands to develop its texture. And sauté, a method of cooking food quickly in a small amount of oil. Knowing these terms will definitely up your kitchen game. Here's the list of kitchen vocabulary words included in the video. 1. Cutting board. 2. Colander. 3. Frying pan. 4. Spatula. 5. Ladle. 6. Measuring cup. 7. Zester. 8. Whisk. 9. Rolling pin. 10. Grater. 11. Sieve. 12. Garlic press. 13. Tongs. 14. Oven mitts. 15. Chopsticks. 16. Salad servers. 17. Kitchen shears. 18. Pepper mill. 19. Salt shaker. 20. Microwave. 21. Blender. 22. Dishwasher. 23. Toaster. 24. coffee maker. 25, stand mixer. 26, simmer. 27, boil. 28, marinate. 29, knead. 30, saute. This list covers essential tools, appliances, and cooking terms commonly used in the kitchen. And there you have it, your essential kitchen vocabulary. Now you're ready to talk like a pro in the kitchen and impress your friends and family. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more culinary tips and tricks. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite kitchen tool? See you in the next video.